Welcome back, everybody. We are back at the tree stand spot, hoping for another chance at a buck. It is Thursday, October 3rd, just before 4 o'clock here. It's roughly like 3:50. Got out of work a little early, so we got the next few days to hopefully get a couple more chances at some deer. If you watched my last video, you saw I had a chance at that one decent shooter buck there, and didn't pan out the way we wanted to. Very close, but hopefully we get another chance here. There's a whole lot of big deer in here. I would think that guy was kind of like a medium-sized deer for what's in here. So hopefully, I mean, who knows? I don't know if he'll come back, but hopefully there's others that'll want to swing by the stand. So excited to get in there. Got a lot to do to get ready here. We only got probably till 7:50-ish to hunt till, so a good 3 hours if we can get in there quickly and quietly for a good sit tonight, and then the next couple days here to again hopefully get some good chances and some good encounters, but hopefully we don't need those 3 days to do it. And but we'll get ready here and get at it, get a shot off on the bow here quick before we get in, make sure it's dialed in good, and hopefully see you in a tree. Giant bedded just right there. Fuck me. Well, he's not coming back, so I might go back to the other one. Well, that sucks. But I'm in the tree. And I'm just gonna sit here for the rest of the evening because I just don't want to be bumping more stuff right now. I thought about going to the other stand, but man, he's gone. Hopefully, something else comes in. Fingers crossed, you never know. But it was a nice buck, and hopefully third time's the charm. And the next one that comes in doesn't see it coming, so who knows what tonight will hold, but I wanted to get my stuff up in this stand without making too much noise tonight, so in case I gotta be here in the morning, I don't have to make too much noise. But only 2 more hours, just over 2 more hours here, so things can change, but that sucks. Well, folks, not the luckiest evening sit, bumping that buck right when we get into the stand, and then other than that, just had that little doe come behind me. She figured something was up, stomping, and that's how I figured out she was behind me, but she never really totally figured me out, just kind of scared me a little bit, and I saw her mosey on quite a bit down that hill for the following half an hour, but after all that commotion, nothing came in, so pulled cards on both cameras of my stands. We'll kind of take a look at them and assess what kind of happened over the week and see where we want to sit in the morning, but I'm probably going to want to sit in the same stand. I feel the wind is just always kind of works out in the way that kind of little valley ridge system works, so no matter what the thermals are doing, the wind kind of works out in my favor somehow. But we'll see what these trail cameras see and see how it goes, but we'll see you in the morning. It is 11:50 and it's been a good morning so far. We've got some good gusts of wind that keep blowing through, keeping the noise level up, so now is kind of the best time to go down, and I'm gonna cut some of these dead trees down, open up some lanes, but before that I'm going to go probably 200 yards down there and check out that camera that I have kind of near that, what I think is like a more popular bedding area. But yeah, so we'll go do that while we got some wind cover midday, and once we get back, we'll just get back in the stand, and I think we're gonna sit for the rest of the evening. So again, good morning. It's cool seeing that little fork guy come in and graze around and whatnot. Got a little tempting there when he kept offering up a bunch of opportunities, but we're gonna hold out for something with a little bit more meat on it, and hopefully something comes by. Again, tags for anything goes, antler or antlerless, so just looking for something with a little bit more meat on it, a little bit more mature, and lots of good shooters in here, so hopefully we see something, but we'll see it down on the ground. Got halfway here, realized I don't have keys. Well, with my luck, the wind stops right when I start cutting trees, but it starts back again. But got some clear lanes here, so don't really have to feel like I'm threading the needle. So basically, through here and through here, they're a lot clearer now. A few of these little small branches out of the way, so there's nothing too impeding in this direction, because they're definitely coming from here or from here down to this little grazing area coming across into there. So don't know if you heard any of that. See, I'm trying to be quiet, but now we sit. It is 12:35, so we got 7 hours. So gonna tuck in a book. Here's the wind now, and hopefully now we're set up for a nice shooter buck to come in, and we're ready for those scenarios. And yeah, had our prep, and it's game time now. So we'll see if something happens here. Uneventful evening and afternoon. Nothing coming by, but it's alright. Some beautiful colors there at sunset. Other than that, very quiet. So try again tomorrow. Well, quiet morning. Didn't see anything. Heard some coyotes pretty far off down south this morning, and then some wolves to my north. Pretty decently far off, probably like 15k around there. But it's 10:19. Rec shooters are out, as you can hear. Not gonna do a full day sitting there, so gonna go regroup, maybe take a nap, and then see what the wind's doing and pick a stand for the evening and have another sit. So we'll see what happens. It's Saturday, so definitely more pressure today, but you never know. Last Saturday I saw that buck encounter near that stand, so hopefully we get something similar happen tonight. That's not great. I don't know why she was blowing. I think she must have heard something, because I'm downwind 60 out. And I think maybe it was like a squirrel and something else, but she didn't like it. She just huffed all that time, and I just saw her walking off, so she's not like super worried. She's just something kind of on her nerves or something, but kind of sucks. Hopefully that doesn't fuck shit up, but it probably cruised for a good 20-30 minutes and then went back down. So, oh well. Well, nothing came in that last hour after that doe was huffing around, which is kind of expected. Tomorrow morning, last morning of the weekend, gonna be a quick one, but feeling like we're due to see a mature deer come in and have an opportunity, so we'll see you in the morning. It's only 8:50. It's starting to rain, so I might have to get down here soon because I didn't bring any rain gear with me. But I do want to quickly check cameras before I leave and slightly adjust the stand too. So this could be it, but we'll give it another 10 minutes and then assess the rain and see what happens. Well, when do you think I'm gonna get any dumber? As I start walking and go get this camera, I just hear a deer blow and run off, so hopefully it was just that doe, but it's just my luck, so hopefully we can have some better luck here, but we'll go finish getting this camera now that that deer's fucking off, so. Well, as I came to get, I was gonna move and check this last camera near my second stand, and just bumped a doe that was bedded right there. She ran off, so my luck is not good this weekend for sure. Probably should have stayed in the stand a little longer. I think maybe if I did, maybe that whatever deer was I bumped going to the other camera might have come in, but it's hard to tell. So, I mean, I'm gonna get this last camera here and then I'm gonna move it uphill so I can kind of get some better photos, I think. Rather than going sideways, I'm gonna go straight down, but then gonna hit the road and head back to the city. So be back out here next Thursday again for another 3.5 days. So hopefully we have better luck next weekend and get to see some shooters. My goal now as I move that other camera back is just to be a little bit less intrusive, try to do less dumb shit like I've done this weekend and bumping stuff while I'm on the ground. So hopefully it'll have a little time to rest over this week and we'll see a shooter next weekend. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.